In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Vibration at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then use this switcher next to Vibrate on ring to enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming calls. Then choose vibration intensity to operate those sliders and manage intensity of incoming calls vibrations and notifications ones. You can also manage this switcher to enable or disable option Vibrate first, then ring. When you're ready, click on gray area at the top, scroll down, click on phone ringtone here, choose vibration effect and pick one of those patterns. Synchronize your vibrations with ringtone by tapping on follow musical rhythm, or hit no vibration at the top to disable them. When you're ready, go back, tap on notification vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back, scroll all the way down, hit touch vibration here, and operate this switcher to enable or disable them. If you decided to enable touch vibration, adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Then tap on gray area and use this switcher next to Vibrate when the other party answers or hangs up to turn on or off this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!